Guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have with me Masala Magic. Basically, this is the product of Maggi. Now, let's speak about the front side of the packaging. Here you will able to see attractive packaging of the product, and they have given the name of the product, that is Masala Magic. You will able to see picture of one sabzi, and at its side you will able to see turmeric, cloves, chili powder, fenugreek seeds, cardamom, nutmeg, cumin, chilies. According to them, one packet serves energy equals to 5 kcal, and according to them they have taken aromatic roasted spices. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button. Let's speak about the rare side of the packaging. They have mentioned ingredient list over here. I'm going to read it for you. Mixed spices, roasted spice powder, that is coriander, turmeric, cumin, anise seeds, black pepper, fenugreek, ginger, cloves, green cardamom, nutmeg, red chili powder, dehydrated onion, dried garlic, capsicum extract, roasted cumin powder, spice extract blend, that is in that capsicum extract, coriander extract, cumin extract, iodized salt, sugar, starch, flavor enhancer, palm oil, thickener, vitamin, minerals, pre-mix in that ferric, pyrophosphate, potassium iodide, carrier, vitamin, retinol acetate, acidity regulator, and caramel salt mix, that is iodized salt, color, palm oil. It also contains permitted natural color and added flavors. They have also mentioned that it may contain gluten, milk solid, mustard and soya. The net weight of this product is 6 gram. It has a green dot, so it's a veg product. They have given ways you can use this. Cook any dish as you normally do with your family. Sprinkle a sachet 2-3 minutes before taking it off the flame. Basically, whenever I cook sabzi at home, and as you know, in Goan food mostly we put coconut and some homemade garam masala. Along with this deadly combination, I do sprinkle this masala to normal sabzi. If you want to know some of the Goan dish which I cook at home, do comment down below. This masala enhances the flavor of your dish, not only for dry sabzi, but you can even sprinkle this sachet to your gravies. This product is manufactured by Nestle India Limited, and it's best before 9 months from the date of manufacturing. Remember, you have to store this packet in a cool, dry and hygienic place. You can use your refrigerator for that. Here, they have given nutritional information about the product. Energy, kcal 233. Protein, 5.9 grams. Carbohydrate, 42.3 grams. Total sugar, 15.3 grams. Sucrose, 13.8 grams. Fiber, 10.6 grams. Total fat, 4.5 grams. Saturated fat, 1.7 gram. Trans fat, 0.04 grams. Sodium 14,975 milligram. We all know that how too much fat is dangerous to our health, but they really have taken care of customers' health by just adding minimum of total fat, saturated fat and trans fat to this product. But if we look at the sodium, that It's much higher which they have used. With this one packet, you can serve 3 persons. Cost of this product is rupees 5. Reasons to use this product. This product adds flavors to your dish. You can use this in any of your sabzi. It won't spoil taste. It's very cheap. Cons. The content of sodium is more. That's all in this video, guys. Do share this video with your dear ones and do let us know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Bye.